Hi guys, I'm Verity. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a new fragrance that I have bought. I'm so excited. I'm very anxious. I hope I'm gonna like it. It was not cheap. So let's see how it goes. This is the fragrance that I purchased. It is Mango Skin by Vilhelm. This is such a nice box. It's super bright, funky, very vibrant, nice for summer, you know, it's giving me summer vibes. Comes with a nice sleeve, very luxurious box. Just like the brand. So let's open it and see what's inside. How gorgeous is this bottle? It's such a luxurious bottle. It's really heavy, feels worth the money. Such a pretty design. I love it. Looks like a kind of like crystal glass, you know, it's beautiful. It sits on this nice like cushion, so that's super cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited to smell it. You know, when you've just like built up this expectation of something and it's like it's hit or miss. So let's see. So the cap, oh, it's nice and tight. It's magnetic, so as you can see, it just slots back on. It's super strong actually. Look, you can hold it like this and it doesn't drop off. And it's got the nice emblem there. You can see the branding. That's really nice. I do not have any perfume on today because I knew I was going to be trying this new fragrance. All I have is some moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it and let's see how it smells. Oh, ooh, wow. Straight away, that is mango, like literally. That is a fresh, ripe, succulent, juicy, melt in the mouth mango. I feel like this scent, if I close my eyes, I'm like in the Caribbean, I'm in Jamaica, sipping on like a pina colada. It's transporting me to paradise. It's creamy, like a creamy mango like smoothie, but it's not synthetic at all. It's really, really like super authentic. It smells really, really juicy. I'm getting the patchouli, I'm getting some vanilla. Wow. For me, the dry down is so important. Like the initial spray is very citrusy, fruity. It's got a nice florally edge to it. Oh, it's very zesty. Without being too citrusy, like I don't like when fragrances are too maybe on the citrusy side. Like this is really well balanced with the floral. Really hope it lasts. For me, the longevity is so important because I like to still smell this at the end of the day, you know. This is absolutely stunning. So that is a definite yes from me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe and follow me for more fragrance reviews. I hope to see you again.